Okay, whenever you're dividing polynomials, you only want to look at the first term to begin with. So you have x is your first term in your divisor, and 2x squared is the first term in your dividend. So you just ask your brain, okay, what can I multiply by x to hit 2x squared? Well, that would be 2x. So you're going to put the 2x over its like term. Then you're going to multiply your 2x back to the divisor, kind of like distributive property, because it has to be multiplied by both numbers in the divisor. So you can kind of look at it like this. So it would be like 2x, and we are distributing the 2x to the x, and then the 2x to the 3, kind of like this, which you're very familiar with, but we're doing it here with the long division. So the 2x multiplied to the x is 2x squared, which it should be because this is what you have here. And then the 2x times the negative 3 is negative 6x. Then the next step after multiplying is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract by turning my terms into their opposites, or as like y'all like to say, flip it. So these guys cancel out, and my 3x plus 6x gives me 9x. Then my next step is bringing down the final term, which is negative 8. So now I've basically gone through the whole step of does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, compare, and bring down, which was my final step. So I have to do it one more time. So just like we did up here, we're going to only look at our first terms. So I asked my brain, what can I multiply by x to hit 9x? And that would be 9. So I put my positive 9 over its like term, and I do the same thing that I did over here with the distributor property. So the 9 times x is 9x, and it should be because that's what I have right here. And the 9 times the negative 3 is negative 27. So then I subtract again, everybody becomes their opposite, and so we cancel out here, and then negative 8 plus 27 makes 19, which is going to end up giving me a remainder. So this is my answer, or my quotient right here, 2x plus 9. And like I tell y'all, you read it like a clock. So this is my answer, and a clock comes this way. So my remainder is going to be 19 over x minus 3. So 2x plus 9, read it like a clock, come this way. 19 is always going to be my numerator, and my divisor is x minus 3. 2x plus 9, 19 over x minus 3. And if you're on Tuesday, if you forget how to divide with the polynomials, your backup plan would be to multiply your divisor by your answer choices. So know that x minus 3 times 2x plus 9 is going to give you what's inside the house, your dividend. So let me know if you have any more questions. Good luck.